Hello, hello, my loves. I have popped back into the kitchen real quick today, and I am making my cheesy butter nudes. Cheesy butter nudes. Nudes, aka noodles. They are cheesy, they are buttery, and you can also season them to be so many different kinds of flavors, but the main base for them is going to be some nutritional yeast, some plant-based butter. Today I'm using Myoko's. I also sometimes use Earth Balance or Melt brand, which is really delicious as well. And then all you have are those ingredients, and then y'all, you can season it with any kind of seasoning that you want. You can use Emerald's, you can use McCormick, you can use like a fajita seasoning, anything. You can make up your own, it don't matter. Today I'm gonna be using Penzeys Justice seasoning. And this one has shallots, garlic, green peppercorns, chives, and green onion. And this is typically what I like to use on my cheesy butter nudes. Also, the noodles I'm using today, these are just noodles from Trader Joe's, y'all. Gluten-free, vegan noodles. Easy, simple, easy breezy, beautiful. So I have my plant-based butter. I'm just gonna pour it on over my noodles, y'all. See, you already know it's delicious. If butter's used in a recipe, you know it's gonna be fabulous. And then I have my nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast, y'all. This is a classic staple for not only a vegan pantry, but anybody's pantry. You need some nutritional yeast. Seriously, look. I have this giant jar. I typically fill it all up, and then it lasts me about like 2 months, which actually, honestly, it should last me longer. But y'all, I use nutritional yeast in so many of my different recipes, and it makes everything just taste cheesy and buttery and fabulous. Also, it has B12 in it and some iron in there, y'all. So get your flavor in, get your nutrition in, get everything in. And I'm gonna be adding in about like 4 to 5 tablespoons of this, y'all. We are making this super duper cheesy and buttery. And what's beautiful about this recipe too, y'all, literally it takes like 5 minutes to make. Get your noodles cooked, and then all you have to do is just mix in everything. So I'm gonna be mixing in that nutritional yeast. And actually, y'all, I'm gonna add in a little bit more because I want these buttery, I want these super cheesy. And then we're gonna be adding in also that Penzeys spice. My parents gave me this box full of all these delicious Penzeys seasonings, and I did a video earlier where I smelled all of them, and oh, this one is still one of my favorite, and I'm so sad it's almost gone. I'm gonna have to definitely get some more of this fabulous spice. So mix in all that nutritional yeast. Y'all can see I'm mixing it all around. Mixing the nutritional yeast, the noosh. Mixing the nutritional yeast, the noosh. Mix in that nutritional yeast until everything is covered in that delicious, beautiful yellow gold, y'all. This is plant-based beauty right here. All right, and then let's add in some pink Himalayan salt. Add in as much or as little as you want. I personally, y'all, I got a salty mouth, okay? I'm a salty girl, so I'm gonna be adding in about 1/2 of a tablespoon. Remember, there's also some salt in that butter, so you don't wanna over salt it. Just wanna add in and then taste a little bit, see how you like it, add in a little bit more. It just depends on who you are and what your palate is and how much sodium you want to incorporate into your diet as well. So let me add in that salt in there too. And then, y'all, let's add in that Penzeys spice. Oh, it already smells so good. It smells fabulous. All right, let's add in this Justice. I really, really love those green peppercorns in this spice, y'all. Just makes everything taste. Gives it that little bit of zing, that little bit of zestiness that I like. Y'all saw my zesty rice recipe. Sometimes I'll use the same spice seasoning in my zesty rice as well. So, oh, y'all, look at these cheesy butter nudes. Cheesy butter nudes, y'all. I got myself a bowl. I'm just gonna transfer on over however much I want, which is a lot, y'all. This is my first meal of the day. Had my celery juice earlier. Celery juice, celery juice. I already had my celery juice. So that means that I'm gonna get my grub on with these cheesy butter nudes, y'all. Ooh, look at this. I'm gonna finish it off. Y'all know how I do with a little bit of freshness. And I have this green onion. Oh my gosh. You smell delicious. You smell so beautiful. You smell so delicious, so beautiful. You smell like you're just gonna be cheesy and fabulous. So let's dig in, y'all. Let's dig in. I get that bit of green onion for that little bit of fresh bite. Oh, yes. Yes. Yes, girl. Yes, girl, you did it. You did it. Cheesy butter nudes, y'all. Takes like 2 seconds to make. Super, super, super cheap. You can get these ingredients literally anywhere, okay? Get yourself in the kitchen. Get yourself going. Get yourself glowing. And make yourself some cheesy butter nudes. Cheesy butter nudes. Cheesy butter nudes. Cheesy butter nudes. Get yourself some cheesy, buttery nudes.